Imperva Review, honest user experience and in-depth look at its cybersecurity features. Cybersecurity is critical and Imperva promises enterprise-grade protection for websites, applications, and data. I tested it hands-on and here's my honest review. Most people think firewalls alone are enough. The surprising truth is Imperva offers a complete ecosystem, including web application firewall, DOS protection, bot mitigation and real-time analytics. Setup was surprisingly smooth for an enterprise-level tool. I integrated Imperva with a web application, configured security rules, and within hours the dashboard was live, showing detailed traffic and threat analytics. One feature that stood out is bot detection. Imperva accurately flagged malicious bots while allowing legitimate traffic, reducing false positives. DOS protection is robust, with automatic mitigation during attacks, ensuring uptime even under stress. The reporting and analytics are extensive. You can drill down into attack sources, blocked attempts, and security trends, which is great for both the teams and management. Pricing is premium, reflecting enterprise-grade features. Small businesses may find costs high, but for medium to large-scale operations, the investment is justified given the security benefits. The only challenge is the learning curve. The platform is feature-rich and mastering all functions requires time and training. But once configured properly, it works seamlessly. In conclusion, Imperva is a top-tier cybersecurity solution offering comprehensive protection and detailed insights. For companies serious about safeguarding data and applications, it's a reliable and powerful choice.